Okay guys, welcome. How to tie a kite, right? You'll get this thread, right? You're seeing the thread. You can see it here, right? And just this make this thread double, right? Like this. And let me show you. Like this, make it double, right? Double. And just measure it with a kite from this point, right? And to this point, right? Head and tail, this much, and just take it a little bit more, right, from here to here, like this, little more, right. And then what you have to do is uh, you can see here in the kite, right, in this section, right, make a small hole here, right, one, and in this section another one, right, in this section, you can see here in this section one and in this section one, and also just measure it like this again, right, in this way, right, and just notice the size, right, from this one, right. Don't don't make this one, these 2 points, right, two holes here, don't don't make it closer to this side, right. And after measuring like that, make 2 points, right, and then insert that thread that you made double, right, from this point, and take it out from this side, and again insert it from here, right, and tie it here like this, right, simple. And do that process, same process here, right, in top section, do the same process, and just make it like this one now, that thread, right. And notice that this point here is the knot, right. When you measure it like this is here, right, and in this case it is here, right, this one. Try to make it equal, right. Also you can come closer to, right now it's, in my case it's here, right, you can come closer to this one, right, not a problem. Just don't go much far. And after that, tie it here, right. After tying it here, you will get this point, right? You will get like this, right, and get that thread from that handle, right, and tie it here. You can see here, right, the first one knot is here, second one is here, right. This is the single thread. Tie it here and you can fly. Now see, the same kite, we're flying it here. Now see the video.